Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be creating a love vignette with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Be My Boo Collab, and that's hosted by Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Now we are decorating a vignette, but then I decided to do it on my coffee table. And remember that a vignette you can move around from any place. I just decided to place it on my coffee table for now, and so we're going to go ahead and decorate the coffee table also. I am using a garland. So I found this in my stash, and it did have some roses missing. So there were some red roses in there, and I decided to put some white ones in the empty little spots. So we're going to be draping the coffee table, and it will have that garland of roses. So right now, I think we're pretty much done. This is the best I'm gonna do right now. And I think it looks great. So we're gonna move on to the next step. Let's start placing the runner that I'm gonna use on the coffee table. That we are jumping into next. So I decided to layer some different colors with the runners. So the first runner we're going to do in red, and then we're going to move on to the second runner, which is going to be white. And then the third one on top of all of that is going to be buffalo check. I think this part of it came out absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So I am using that wire basket as my tray. And then we're also going to place a doily in the center of it. I think that gives it that little delicate something something. So we know we want to put some flowers on the tray. So what I'm doing is I'm using a small little mason jar that I had DIY'd, and I think it looks beautiful, especially with those pearl buttons. Then we're going to use some white roses to decorate the inside of that. think those flowers came out absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to start placing things in the tray, and I'll show you right before I place them. So enjoy the music while I go ahead and do that. And remember, I am going to be moving things around until I find the proper placement that makes me happy. So I think that iridescent rose that I found, I don't even remember what store I found it in. I just grabbed it. I think it was Five Below. It is gorgeous. I hope the camera's doing it justice. So we just had to place this in the tray. So I just had to show you this gorgeous piece, this floral arrangement that I made, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and I just wanted to decorate the coffee table with it. So we are almost done decorating this table and this vignette, and I think that garland looks absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So I am almost done decorating this coffee table and the vignette, and the last touch here with this garland is absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Cal, from If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, for hosting this collaboration. it's time for the reveal of this vignette. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody decorated for Be My Boo collab. Have an awesome day, guys.